We found Halloween at Dollar Tree. This is so exciting. Mostly craft stuff, but they do have these candles this year, which are new.
You know how we just saw these?
Hanging signs, galvanized signs. They've got the little bottle brush trees. They've got styrofoam skulls this year to do arts and crafts with. These are cool. They're little light up shadow boxes. Those are new.
No, there's a kitty. Mom, look. You can make your own. Look at
some little
Mom, look.
Halloween floral. I see, babe. Picks.
Oh, I want to buy some right now.
Those are little lights.
Those. Look at
Little
those.
skull LED lights. Let me see if I can get one. That's kind of cute.
I really don't like styrofoam.
See,
I'm baggy. 'Cause I don't like styrofoam.
this is what the pumpkin looks like. A little LED light. And then a little skull one. That's actually, I like the skull one. That's pretty cool. I wonder if you can replace, it looks like you might be able to replace the LED light. And there's also a bunch of fall up. So those are like, kind of like cardboard box, but like baskets. And then there is glitter pumpkins. There's some fabric fuzzy pumpkins, gourds. These are kind of cute. These are picks and they're like knitted pumpkins. And then there's a lot of arts and crafts stuff. Some corns. These look new. Those little trucks. That's cute to go on wreaths. It's like flannel pumpkins here. They've got, oh, let's pull out this doormat. Let's see what the doormat looks like.
There's a couple of them actually. Oh wait, this one's...
Hi there, pumpkin.
Then let's see, it's like that one. I don't know the same. Oh wait, there's another one. Pumpkins. What's this?
Hello, fall.
This is what they make it in. Oh, I made it in. There's one more. There's one more.
Use your muscles. Gather here. I think I like the first one the best. Hi there, pumpkin.
Mom, look at.
A leather pumpkin, you guys? A faux leather pumpkin?
Mom,
what?
Look at Mom.
Yep, I saw that one. Behind me, there's a bunch. There's mushrooms. That's really cute. They're super light though. But what could we use these for? There's also blue mushrooms. What could we use those for?
Mushrooms and red mushrooms.
Oh, that is so cute.
We can make a mushroom. We can make.
There's also this like clear decoration, which has a suction cup on it to like put to a glass door or a window. Oh, there's also these wooden beads for decor, which are very popular in the farmhouse decor, and they can get very expensive on Amazon. And this is a pretty long one for $1.25. Over here, there's these little glass pumpkin dishes. You could put like candy corns in or something. They've got a white one. They've got these plain pumpkins. I have so many of these, so I'm not gonna grab any.
There's a sack of pumpkins.
Okay, 1 second, Austin. I'm over here right now. All of these little signs, buckets. This one says thankful with sunflowers. There's some magnets for the fridge. There's this stacked pumpkin.
My pumpkin. My pumpkin.
These are, it's like a moss pumpkin. That's an interesting pumpkin. Oh, this little tractor. Little, what are these? Little galvanized metal signs. And there's a white one, and there's also an orange one.
What box did this come from?
I also wanted to show you some regular decor that Dollar Tree has out, just because I was walking through and I noticed some cool stuff. So that's just like a little flower ball decor. They've got some dogs. They've got some new little vases here. This one's pretty cool. It's giving Egyptian vibes. There is a cat. There's these interesting things. And there's circle ones as well. We've got some elephants. These I think we've seen for a while. These are really cute. You can put some earrings in there. I think the copper is so pretty. We've got some swans. And then this is pretty nice. I actually think that's really cool. There's also these elephants right here. Maybe you could put some rings on there. Whoa, dinosaur mirror.
Yeah, dinosaur mirror or what?
There's these little bottles with the tree of life on it.
The Cinepro. But she put me on the Losartan. I was taking 100 milligrams, but when I went to the doctor, they put me on 50 milligrams. So I'm only taking that.
When they first started,
The Truffalo? That's for your angina. Truffalo?
yeah.
Yeah, I take.
Oh, there's some cool looking jars there. And then they've got these little dishes. I don't know what for. Maybe like to lean your, like a spoon rest or something. They're cute. And this is like a, what do you call it? A placeholder? Like a, put your name on there. There's also the orange pumpkin ones.